Okay, this is the startup of the waterfall. Power's on. We're waiting. Here it comes. Goes into the first basin. Yep, and because of the foam that we use, waterfall foam under the first rock there, here it comes. Over the second drop. Third drop. We're filling up there. And there we go. The final drop into the pond. Because of the way we set the rocks so that they stick out like a ledge, it allows that crystal look. The water sparkles because there's light behind it. It's not running smoothly over top of a rock, it's dropping. And because of the little pools we create at the base of every drop, you get the bubbling sound, that nice waterfall sound that everybody looks for, and the pretty bubbles, which in sunlight, which we don't have today, will sparkle. There we have it, the waterfall.